Hello, welcome to Riversoft University. My name is Shelley Wolf, and today we will be reviewing how to configure a pathway for your agency. By selecting Configure and scrolling down to EMR Pathways, this will take you to the Pathway Editor. Here you will notice on the left-hand side that you have been delivered pre-configured pathways. If you wish to add an additional customized pathway for your agency, you will do so here. We will review a pathway that has been pre-delivered to you. You'll notice the pathway name, COPD, Ineffective Airway. Ineffective airway is also your nursing problem. You will notice that there are related ICD-10 codes to this pathway, J41 through J44, with trailing numbers. If your clinician chooses one of these diagnosis codes, however does not choose a COPD pathway, in the note review, we will suggest that your clinician considers using one of these pathways based on one of these diagnosis codes. You also can directly link note pages to a pathway. So every time my clinician chooses this COPD pathway, on their visit note, they will get a nutrition, respiratory, and vital signs page. These are added to a pathway by clicking the Select button and picking the desired page you wish to appear when this pathway is chosen. Then keep changes and return. You'll also notice you can pick the skill that will perform this intervention. You will add an intervention and a corresponding goal. You have the opportunity to add 20 interventions with 20 corresponding goals to each pathway. You also can add service orders to a particular pathway. So by selecting Edit Pathway Doctor's Orders, you can customize the orders you wish to be associated with a particular pathway. Next, pathway key measurements. In this case, COPD, we wish for our clinician to obtain a pulse oximetry level on every visit. By selecting pulse oximetry level, when the clinician completes a note, if they omit pulse oximetry level, it will be reflected in the note review, reminding the clinician that this is a measurement that the agency wishes for them to obtain when this pathway is chosen. To add a new pathway, you'll simply click New, add your pathway, add your nursing diagnosis, any related ICD-10 codes, any pages that you wish to appear when this pathway is chosen, and save. At this time, you will enter the skill that will perform a specific intervention to meet a specific goal. You also can add service orders, 2 visits a week for 2 weeks, and this will directly be related to this pathway and will be available for the clinician to choose these. if they wish. And you can add a key measurement and save. At this time, this pathway has been added to the agency's list of potential pathways. This is a review of how you can generate new pathways specific for your agency. Thank you. Bye-bye.